Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making an apple and oats loaf cake. So this is how it looks like. These are the ingredients we are using for today's oats and apple cake. So we have 1.5 cups of oats, 3/4 cup of white granulated sugar. We have some groundnut which is about 1 tablespoon. We have 1.5 tablespoons of chopped chocolate. We have 60 grams of vegetable oil. We have 2 room temperature eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We have some vanilla essence here, and then our apple. Also, we'll be using a spare bowl, our bar stand mixer, a plate for serving, our chopping board, the knife, some parchment, and the loaf tin. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. We are going to grind our oats into a fine powder. This is how it looks like. We are going to pour it into our bowl here. So this is our oat flour. So I'll add in the baking powder and then the salt. So we are going to mix and then we'll set it aside as we start mixing the wet ingredients. Into our mixing bowl, we'll add in our sugar, our eggs, and a pinch of salt. Then we'll mix until light, fluffy, and very airy. As it mixes, we will be adding the apple to the chopping board and then we'll start slicing and coring it. I'm going to place them into this plate here. Then we'll add the lemon juice, toss it around. If it's not added, the apples will start to change color, which we don't want, so I'm adding that. And then we'll set it aside. We'll add in the vanilla. So this is the oat flour. We are going to add in our wet ingredients. So I'm going to mix it. So we'll add in our apple slices and then mix. So this is our loaf tin. I'm going to add in now, shake it slightly and we'll spread our nuts on it. And then the chocolates. Then we'll bake this at 160 degrees for 35 minutes. This is our oat loaf.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.